Here's a situation. You are given a spreadsheet that only shows names in a column once. And what you need is a quick way to fill those names all the way down and catch changes as they occur. Let's take a look at this example. Here I have a column for branch, a column for account number, account name, and sales. However, the branch name is only listed once. All of these other accounts are assumed to be LA until you reach a change. Let's scroll down. Keep going, keep going, keep going, and we reach another branch right here, Miami. So starting here, this is a Miami account, and everything underneath this is a Miami account. The problem is if I resort this, or if I want to use a formula to refer to this Miami account, how do I know that's a Miami account? What I really want is to have Miami right next to it. I want all these branches to fill in accordingly. If I come up here and use the fill handle, hold down Control and double click, it shoots this top value all the way to the bottom, and it just overwrote all the other branches. So now everything says LA, and that's not what I want, so I'm going to click undo. To get it to do what I want, I'm going to use an if-then formula. It's going to be if this is blank, then use this one. If not, go ahead and use it. One thing to remember about this is since it's going to the row above, there always has to be at least one row above. In other words, you can't use it in A1 because there are no rows above it. But now that we have this in here, it's going to check this. If it's blank, it's going to grab the one above it. If it's not, it's going to grab what's next to it. So let's look. Let me drag it down one so you can see it a little better. It came over here and saw that this was blank, so it grabbed the one above it, and that's how it's working. So now I can do the fill handle and shoot this all the way down. And let's see if it picked up the changes. Scrolling down, there, Miami. There we go. So now it's all saying Miami. Scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. Dallas, picked up the change in Dallas, picked up New York, and that's it. And anybody that's come across this knows that this is a huge, huge time saver. So now what I'm going to do is just copy this, come over here, paste special values it right where it's supposed to be, come back here and delete these values, and there we go. I got it to look the way I wanted it to look. Now if I sort it or I use formulas to refer to it, everything's going to work the way I want it. Let me show you how I did that. And that is a way to solve this need.